This tutorial covers the main steps of setting up your new adjustable base. For safety reasons, keep the base in the box while moving it and make sure 2 people are present at all times to avoid injury. Remove all tape and binding straps. Be careful not to puncture the box with any sharp objects. Once you open the boxes, you will find everything you need to set up your new adjustable base. Remove all boxes and accessories from the frame of the bed. Unfold the base while keeping the bottom of the base facing upwards. Install the legs by screwing them into the mounting hole on each corner. For the center of the bed, install the legs using connection points diagonally across from each other. Note, the legs can be adjusted for 3 or 6 inch heights by unscrewing them. When using a 3-inch leg, ensure that the supplied foot pad is installed. This is not required for the 6-inch leg because it is already installed. Uncoil the power cord towards the desired outlet. With the help of an able-bodied assistant, carefully flip the base over onto its legs. Connect the base to a working power source. A surge protector is recommended. Setup is now complete.